When we started Cebu Design Week in 2018, we wanted to connect people, encourage everyone to create, and cultivate the landscape of creativity and innovation.
Last year, we were able to do just that, with the support of the diverse creative community of Cebu.
However, the global community is currently facing an unprecedented set of challenges that's forcing us to think differently to adapt to the current situation.
We know this pandemic has affected many creatives today.
We truly hope and pray that you are well and fighting.
Cebu Design Week grew from being an event to a platform and now a community.
In response to the challenges, we have decided to reformat Cebu Design Week as we know it.
Expect to see new content on our social media pages, a virtual platform for creatives to sell their products and services, and other digital programs we will run to support creatives and those affected by the current situation.
CDW 2020 may be one of the most innovative and meaningful undertakings we are going to be doing in a very long time.
We hope for your support in this new endeavor.
These too shall pass. For now, stay healthy, keep the faith, and be creative in everything you do.
Connect, create, cultivate.